Hello guys, do you want to save one of your draft posts on Facebook as a draft in 2024 and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact way how to save your draft post on Facebook. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Stark's Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps and many more. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it. First of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. After that, just simply go for that post. Here, create your post which you want to save as a draft. Here the things are tricky. Here you cannot find any button or anything, any icon to save it as a draft. What you all have to do is just simply press your back button just like that. Here you get an option. You can tap at continue editing, or you can tap at discard post, it will delete that post. Or you can tap at save as a draft to save it as a draft. Here you can see that we have get a notification. Just simply scroll down and tap at that notification. By tapping on that notification, you will get the list of all of your draft posts. Just simply remember, once you save your draft post, you will just able to access it within 3 days. After the 3 days, you will not able to access that specific post. So, like you have saved it. Now again, you want to access it. You have just gone back and again you want to access it. What you all have to do is here create a random post, write some words and save it as a draft just like that. You will get again a notification, repeat the process, tap at that notification, and here you will get a list. From the list, find your previous draft post just like that and edit it and post it as you want. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on that. Goodbye till the next video.